So what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to talk about Filecoin, give you all an updated idea to what we think the price is about to do for this cryptocurrency. But as always, before I do, if you appreciate the content that you guys are getting here, make sure you guys support by hitting the like, sharing the video, and also subscribing here to this channel. So now, currently, we can see that our current idea for Filecoin is for the market to go lower. This prediction, this idea was produced on August the 18th. 2025, and the market has gone lower. Essentially, it came and held this buy pocket right here around $2.25 to $2.28. That's a very big area for Filecoin, and this may actually be a point to where we might see the market in Filecoin begin to lift. So we might get rid of this price prediction here and then anticipate Filecoin going higher, depending on how we view the long-term charts. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get rid of this buy pocket here first. Okay, now I'm debating on if I want to keep this buy pocket, because the market did break that pocket on the 25th and the 26th of August, but you can see following those 2 days the market came right back and held that pocket following. So we'll see if we're going to keep that pocket or not. Currently, let's look at the market in Filecoin on the 2. Okay, so we're not really seeing too much in terms of very wide price bars, meaning that there's not a volatility currently in the market for Filecoin. The market is pretty much stable. Nobody's really controlling the price action from a dramatic standpoint. I do want to show you though that this particular 2-day price bar, look at all of that volume that popped in the market. Okay, so when you compare this volume and add it to the price bar, you will suspect that there was a lot of selling going on in the market in Filecoin. But instead, following this 2-day price bar, the market continued to go higher. So this was like an absorption. It was like a sponge right here in this area, to where somebody expected the market to not go any further, to go lower. And they had a high probability that was going to go high, because you won't see this much volume come into the market unless you have a high certainty or degree that price is going to go up. So somebody knew something within the last 2 days on this 2-day price bar when it was printed. Here it is on the 3. Currently we have a day and 14 hours, and you can tell that the market is still being held firm by the buyers. Here it is on the 4. Okay, here it is on the 5 real quick. And from the 5-day time frame, we really didn't see any selling following that 5-day bar. Instead of price continuing to go lower and test this other buy pocket, it reversed and went right back up on this middle buy pocket that we talked about getting rid of. Okay, so that says a lot right there too. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, let's look at Filecoin on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Filecoin on the 5. And let's see for the month of August. Okay, so yeah, definitely I would say on the 5 weeks and the monthly chart, we got to be aware that there still could be some selling in the market in Filecoin. It could still be there. And we're just taking a small stint of looking for price to go higher. And we may actually hit that downtrend from the monthly chart. Look at this. Okay, you guys can see that the monthly chart is definitely in a downturn. Something that we need to keep aware of. Okay, so we might see a lift initially back up here to the sell pocket at 275, test this downtrend line, and then the sellers will grab control of the price and bring the market right back down. Okay, so let's look at this. So this is what the downtrend looks like on a daily time frame. Okay, so we're going to add that there, and we're going to add another sell pocket into the market in Filecoin here. All right, so we'll do that. So yeah, right now in the short term, it does seem as if the buyers want to control the market and lift it up higher, but we may only run to this sell pocket or these two sell pockets right here at this downtrend line before those sellers come in and begin to sell more of their tokens or coins into the market. So just be aware of that. So if that's the case and you feel as if it's not going to continue to go down, then right now would be the point to come and take some off the table, which is only a measly 0.75%. But hey, if you think that there's a higher chance of prices to continue to go higher and exceed our ultimate stop loss, which is like $2.85, then yeah, that's cool. I mean, it's the name of the game is to come in and participate and win in the market. So if your analysis has changed, then yeah, you may want to go ahead and take some off the table. But right now, we're going to continue to go forward with us looking for the market in Filecoin to go lower. You should have taken some off the table anyway when the market came to this buy pocket at 225. That was 8.75% moved right there. Okay. So right now we'll just leave it alone and see if these buyers will eventually take out these sellers at these two sell pockets right here. If they don't, then we know that we're still sitting pretty on our idea of looking for the market to continue to go down. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.